What if I introed every video like this? Do you want to stretch? Do you want to breathe? You want to feel a little better? Let's do it together. Come on. It's so easy. It's so simple. We're gonna do it together. I'm here with you. How does that sound? Very simple. Just find a comfortable seating position. I'm in a traditional Japanese sitting position, but you can sit however you'd like. You can sit on a chair if you want. You can sit on like a big thing like this, or a small thing like a yoga block or a book, or a pillow or a bed or a chair, whatever you want. Let's start. We can talk all we want, but we gotta get going, okay? Coming to this moment, finding the breath, finding the natural breath. So for now, let's not manipulate it. Just be aware of the in and the exhale. Coming into the moment. I invite you to close your eyes, but you can keep your eyes open to tune in with me whenever you'd like. So it's really what's comfortable. Maybe you want to look at me for a little while, and then when you feel like you can do it on your own, go ahead and do that. Totally optional, whatever you'd like. So let's begin. Let's lift up our hands on the inhalation and drop them on the exhalation. Okay, so let me take my shirt off so you can see my belly. You can see the breath. So inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And exhaling. Breathing in. And exhaling. So keep that going. I'm going to explain a little what's happening, what we should be doing. So what we should be paying attention to. So as we inhale, we're mirroring the body movement to the breath's movement. What that means is when the arms rise, we're inhaling, 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 inhaling. As they begin to come to a stop, our inhalation does as well. So then our exhalation begins. Our arms start to go down. It's that simple. When we inhale, our arms rise. And as we exhale, our arms fall lower, gently, gracefully, carefully. Inhale with ease. You can gaze up at your fingertips at the way top and then exhale. That's it. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep that going. I'm going to explain the breath sounds to you. So we're not sucking in the air from our nose or mouth. We're gonna get very lightheaded if we do that. So what we actually want to do is as if we're drawing our breath from our throat. You're taking your throat muscle. What's it called? I don't know the muscle's name, but you're tightening it just a little just to create this sound. Glottis, that's what it's called, your glottis muscle. You're just squeezing it just a little, kind of like you're snoring, but snoring is a little higher. You want to be from right here. Let's try a few of those. Exhale. Breathing in. You're doing it with smooth transitions. It's not about this movement or the other movement. It's about the whole thing should be fluid. And then the attitude should be similar. It should be gentle. It should be easy. You know, we're not forcing anything. We're just breathing. We're just breathing. We're just moving. That's all we're doing here. Coming into the body, coming into the breath, feeling the body more. And that's all that yoga is. It's not a glamorized yoga position or asana, a certain type of position that makes you feel uncomfortable or causes any pain. You have to be certain, like a certain position your body has to replicate. This is yoga. Yoga is a feeling. So now let's do a few minutes together. So breathing in. Watch the belly expand. Right about here, the chest expands as well. See how my shoulders get a little higher. And then you can gaze up at your fingers and you're allowing more oxygen to the upper thoracic spine, this whole area, by looking up and looking at your fingers. Look how gentle they move through the air. Okay, so that was one more thing. Now let's go. Okay. Breathing in. And exhale. You can look at your hands, you can look at me, or you can close your eyes, whatever you like. There's absolutely no right or wrong way. What's right is if you feel good. If you feel comfortable with what you're doing. That's all that matters. Whatever you feel called to do, just do it. If you want to move your arms a little different than I am, no problem at all. Just feel your body. Feel the breath. And I'm going to add a little spine movement, so I'll show you how that's done. So inhaling, spine extends, it elongates, it stretches, and then releasing, it compresses, you let go, you release. Inhale. Exhale. And your spine, including your cervical spine, including your neck. So try to add movement to your head and your neck and your lumbar spine, your whole entire back. Let's add a little more movement. Breathing in. And then doing a forward fold, a forward seating fold. Inhaling. Keep it going, fully tuning in to the breath, to the inhalation and the exhalation. When we notice the mind wanders, just simply come back to this breathing meditation. Inhale. Can we just mobilize our neck? Just our upper cervical spine. So let's keep the majority of our body, shoulders and below, stable, breathing in. Exhale. Keep that up. I'm just going to say a quick side note. I'm listening to jazz. It just helps me with the flow of this video, with the energy. And they just set an advertisement on how to wear a mask. To make sure there's no gaps around your nose. Make sure it's all the way up to your eyes and below your... Very silly. Breathe again. Sometimes it's easier to inhale through your mouth when you're moving your head. That's why you hear me switch often. But mostly through my nose. And as we begin this practice, we'll come to a close soon. A few more breaths together. Thank you for giving yourself time and valuable energy for your body and your mind. Thank you for breathing with me. As you can see, it was very simple. This was an introduction. So normally we do a practice that's longer and more consistent, less talking. So check out a longer video of mine of breathing if you'd like. And I'll see you there. Come breathe with me. Thanks for breathing with me today. Oh, you're still there? Yeah, still practice. Like still do this session, please. I'm gonna head out, but you did great. You did great. I also have ASMR videos if that's more of your style. If you want to check out those as well.